Maria, you want a banana? Yeah, you want a banana? How's that? No more? That's my new friend Maria. She loves bananas and long walks on the beach. Happy 2021! I'm actually recording this on the last day of 2020 in Bocas del Toro, Panama. I decided to spend both the Christmas and the earlier into New Year here simply because it's so close to home, and I don't mean in proximity, I mean in the feel and the look. So I just kind of wanted to be as close to that as possible, seeing that I can't actually be home. In addition, I think I just needed it for reflection, for the quiet time, and of course, you know, good waves. I was able to surf since I got here, and it was really good. It was some of the best surf I've gotten in a year or more. Just opportunity to really connect and think and surf. And don't get me wrong, Boquete is beautiful at Christmas time. I mean, really beautiful. But it's such that we've gone back into quarantine for 10 out of 14 days in December. So it's a bit tough to really enjoy Boquete under these conditions, but I'll show you a little bit of what that looks like now. Back in Bocas, where this family of, I think I counted 15 howler monkeys just interrupted my vlog. But it's just a normal day in Panama. What a year this has been for everyone, including me. From COVID and getting stuck in Panama, to starting a YouTube channel, to opening my Patreon, to selling my new set of products. First time I'm actually doing that ever. Lots of first times. As much as it's been a very weird thing for everybody, it's been a blessing in disguise in many ways for a lot of people as well. Time to reflect, time to think about what's really important, time to rethink certain strategies on realizing some things just don't work anymore versus what actually works in 2021 and beyond. So quite the inspiring year. As much as it was very difficult, it was very inspiring as well. So this vlog is ready to wrap up 2020, and moving into 2021, I'd like to really thank my main sponsor inside Panama Real Estate for believing in me, believing in what I have to bring to the table, and enabling me the opportunity to bring this to you, you know what I mean? And for you all to see and experience it through my eyes, and then hopefully be able to experience it yourselves by getting here, visiting here, potentially living here, because I also recommend that highly. There's so many advantages that trump the very present disadvantages of being here, and I'll do a video on just that at some point. But yeah, so very much a lot of thanks to Mike at Inside Panama Real Estate. You've been a rock star through all of this and given me a hell of an opportunity here to take this to the next level, and 2021 is going to be huge. I'm so stoked about it, bringing you so much more of Panama. Don't forget, if you are even thinking of moving to Panama and you would like some sort of relocation guidance and potential for purchasing property or renting or whatever, send me that email at richard@ipreinfo.com so that we can send you a free relocation guide and some potential properties that you may be interested in. So don't forget, many thanks to my patrons, my family, the people who have supported by purchasing some of my gear, which I will link down below, and just allowing me to not only survive in Panama, but to use the opportunity to bring you a lot of information and visuals. I don't know if you would have seen the last video that I uploaded, but take a look at it, because Panama is pretty epic. And that's just over like a 5-month period of being here and being able to go to the different places. So imagine what I can do in a year. 2021, you're looking good. So while I go enjoy some really good waves before the second 4-day lockdown here in Panama for the Christmas and New Year period, just again, many thanks to every one of you. Many blessings for 2021. Let's hope for a way better one than 2020 was, and we take the lessons from 2020 into 2021 and thrive as best as we could, okay? Hopefully I'll see some of you here in Panama if you're visiting, if you're coming to live. I know several of you in the comments would have reached out to me, sent me emails, and looking forward to meeting all of you in 2021. Happy New Year, folks, and see you on the next side. Let's do this.